A mysterious planet, Proxima b, has captured the attention of both scientists and space enthusiasts, thanks to recent revelations from the James Webb Telescope. This telescope, renowned for its clarity and precision, has unveiled unprecedented images of Proxima b, sparking questions about the secrets hidden within this distant world and its potential to harbor life. By peering billions of years into the universe's past, the JWST allows us to witness the genesis of galaxies and stars, pushing the boundaries of our cosmic understanding. Its infrared images, akin to glimpses through a time portal, present celestial phenomena in ways previously unseen by human eyes, akin to the transformative effects of a Snapchat filter. Moreover, the JWST serves as a beacon of discovery, empowering astronomers to delve into the early universe and unravel the mysteries of cosmic evolution. By analyzing the hues captured in its images, researchers can discern valuable insights into the formation of galaxies, stars, and planets. Notably, the telescope's capabilities extend beyond our solar system, enabling the study of exoplanet atmospheres and the quest for signs of extraterrestrial life. Among the most captivating findings facilitated by the JWST is the revelation of Proxima b, a planet orbiting Proxima Centauri, the closest star system to Earth after the Sun. Despite its relative proximity, only 25 light-years away, Proxima b presents a world vastly different from our own. With dimensions exceeding those of Earth and an incredibly short orbital period, Proxima b offers a tantalizing glimpse into the complexities of planetary systems beyond our solar neighborhood. Yet, the allure of Proxima b is tempered by the harsh realities of its environment. The planet's likely tidally locked rotation, perpetual radiation exposure, and tumultuous host star present formidable challenges for sustaining life as we know it. Recent studies have shed light on the hostile conditions surrounding Proxima Centauri, revealing intense solar wind radiation that could jeopardize any prospects for habitability. Despite these challenges, humanity's fascination with the cosmos persists, fueled by the tantalizing prospect of encountering extraterrestrial life. Recent signals detected from the Alpha Centauri system have reignited speculation about the presence of intelligent beings beyond our world. Ambitious initiatives such as Starshot aim to overcome the logistical hurdles of interstellar travel, albeit with formidable obstacles such as Earth's atmosphere hindering progress. In essence, while the dream of exploring distant worlds and encountering alien civilizations remains a tantalizing prospect, the journey toward realizing such ambitions is fraught with challenges yet to be overcome. Bandutunga, the lead author of the paper, proposes a novel solution to the challenge of propelling spacecraft through Earth's atmosphere: adaptive optics utilized in reverse. By deploying small lasers on satellites to monitor atmospheric conditions in real time, ground-based lasers could maintain precise focus on the spacecraft, overcoming atmospheric interference. However, this endeavor requires immense power, 100 gigawatts, equivalent to the entire electricity consumption of the United States, for brief bursts of maximum capacity lasting only 10 minutes. To distribute this power effectively, the plan involves employing 100 million lasers across a square kilometer area. Despite these formidable technical hurdles, the Starshot team remains resolute in their commitment to pushing the boundaries of space exploration. Once the lasers are deactivated, the spacecraft will hurtle through space at an astonishing 20% of the speed of light. Measuring just over 10 meters in diameter, it could reach Alpha Centauri in a mere 22 years, provided it withstands gravitational forces and avoids interstellar debris that may impede its progress. However, even upon arrival, communications will still require an additional 4 years to reach Earth. Acknowledging the monumental challenge of preventing the spacecraft from melting under such extreme conditions, Bandutunga and Sibley emphasize the critical importance of a flawless mirror surface, capable of reflecting 99.99% of incoming light while efficiently dissipating heat. Once launched, the probe is expected to traverse the Alpha Centauri system, though it is unlikely to approach any planets closely. Once the launch system is established, the potential for this concept is truly captivating. The ability to deploy additional probes at a reasonable cost opens up a wealth of opportunities. By flooding adjacent star systems with a fleet of probes, the likelihood of encountering Earth-like planets skyrockets, sparking the imagination with endless possibilities. Picture the scenario: humanity, having reached Proxima Centauri, gains access to an entire star system ripe for exploration, prompting speculation about the existence of more planets akin to our own. Exoplanets, planets beyond our solar system, have been a subject of intense study since their first official discovery in 1992, when scientists identified planets orbiting pulsars. Subsequent breakthroughs, including the detection of planets orbiting stars similar to our Sun, have expanded our understanding of the cosmos exponentially. With thousands of exoplanets already catalogued, including several Earth-sized candidates within their stars' habitable zones, the prospects for finding worlds capable of supporting life appear increasingly promising. The journey of discovery continues, propelled by groundbreaking missions like the James Webb Space Telescope and the Kepler Space Observatory, along with countless studies conducted from observatories on Earth. While our knowledge of the universe remains limited, each new revelation serves as a stepping stone toward greater understanding. For those enraptured by the wonders of space exploration, the journey is far from over, and each episode of Voyager promises to deliver more awe-inspiring insights into the mysteries of the cosmos. So, as you explore this fascinating realm, don't forget to subscribe for more captivating discoveries. Who knows what secrets await us on our next cosmic journey?